Please activate the subtitles. I am Color, Roger Color, and this video is going to be very quick. Well, maybe not so quick, but very efficient and effective and amazing. Because today I've brought to you a very nice text. It's one of my favorite texts in order to practice pronunciation. I always bring this text to my students. Yes, you can ask them.
Yes, it's true.
Oh, thank you. He's my student.
But Roger, why is this text so good to practice pronunciation?
The text that I'm going to bring to you today is great to practice pronunciation because the author of this text has gathered many different words, but they are similar words. They look similar, but they sound completely different.
The words look similar, but they sound different. What do you mean?
For example, in the text you can find words such as cloven oven, break, bleak. See, they look similar, but they're completely different. Break, bleak.
Yeah, they really look similar. It's difficult to read a text and know how to pronounce these words because they're very similar.
Exactly, so it's great to practice. It's great to learn how to pronounce different words. For example, another example is tomb, as in Tomb Raider. Like tomb, comb. Tomb, comb.
Roger.
Yes?
Do you have a comb?
No, I don't. I never comb my hair.
Your hair is really beautiful, Roger.
I know. So it's great to practice pronunciation, and I'm gonna read it with you. So if you have been watching my videos, you've noticed that recently I've been posting videos related to reading. So I've separated 3 videos that you should watch before watching this one. So go to the description of this video and take a look. There will be 3 links that will take you to 3 different videos that I've made talking about different strategies to study English, in which you can practice your speaking, your reading, your writing, and your listening.
Roger, is it possible to practice the 4 skills, reading, writing, listening, and speaking, using texts?
Yes, exactly. So please watch the 3 videos that are in the description of this video. Watch them before watching this one because I want you to use all those techniques with this text so that you can practice your 4 skills using only one text. And I have prepared a PDF file for this class. So subscribe to the channel, download the PDF file for this class. The text that I'm going to read for you today will be in the PDF file so you can listen to my voice and read together and practice the pronunciation of every word I say. And the good thing about this text is that you can also learn nice vocabulary because the vocabulary is not so simple. It's really rich, so you can learn different vocabulary, and I think it's an amazing opportunity. So grab it.
Yes, I'm gonna grab it.
Yes, grab the opportunity, okay?
Some people have told me that your body is named Opportunity.
It's true. Excuse me, Roger. Yes?
I'm trying to find the video that you told me to watch before this one, but I can't find it. Where is it?
Well, it's right there. It's on my channel, man. Take a look.
I can't find it. Look.
Okay, let me see. Oh man, it's not here. It's on YouTube.
Oh, it's your channel on YouTube.
Yeah, man, I don't have another channel anywhere else.
Yeah, man, you have a channel on next video.
Shh! Stop it.
Mr. Dark Horse.
Well, without any further ado, let's get started. So now I'm going to read the text for you. Please pay close attention to the way I pronounce every word, okay? Because they look similar, but they sound completely different. Okay, now I'm going to read some of the words that we're going to find in the poem. So before we do that, before we read the poem, it's important that we practice the pronunciation. So I'm going to say the words, slowly. Then you listen to my voice. Yes, I know my voice is beautiful. And you repeat after me. Verse, worse. Corpse, core. Horse, worse. Susie, busy. Head, heat. tear, tear, player, prayer, heart, beard, herd, tomb, comb, retain, Britain, letter, later, plague, pluck, ague, speak, streak, stake, break, bleak, cloven, oven, how, now, low, daughter, laughter, measles, aisles, similis, reviles, vicar, cigar, mica, wallet, ballet, mullet, chalet, blood, flood, food, mold, shoed, wooed, viscous, viscount, load, broad, rounded, wounded, grieve, serve, friend, fiend, life, live. If you think that I speak too fast, you can slow down the speed of the video, just like this. Dearest creature in creation, study English pronunciation. I will teach you in my verse. Sounds like corpse, score, horse and worse. I will keep you Susie busy, make your head with heat grow dizzy. Dear and I, your dress will tear. So shall I, or hear my prayer. Just compare heart, beard and herd, dies and died, lord and word, sword and sword written in Britain, mind the letter how it's written. Now I surely will not plague you with such words as plague and ague, but be careful how you speak, say break and stick, but bleak and streak. Cloven, oven, how and low, script receipt, show poem and toe. Hear me say, devoid of trickery, daughter, laughter, and secret, typhoid, measles, topsails, aisles, exile, similes, and reviles, scholar, vicar, and cigar, solar, mica, war and far, one anemone, balmoral, kitchen, lichen, laundry, laurel, Gertrude, German, wind and mind, scene, Melpomene, mankind. Billet does not rhyme with barley, bouquet, wallet, mullet, chalet. Blood and flood are not like food, nor is mold like shoed and wood. Viscous, viscount, load and broad, toward to forward to reward. And your pronunciation is okay when you correctly say croquet. Rounded, wounded, grieve and sieve, friend and fiend, alive and live. Ooh. That was an intense thing, right?
Yes, it was very tense. You took my breath away. You always do.
Yeah, I know. So please download the PDF file for this class. Do the exercises based on this class. Practice a lot throughout the week, okay? After having done that, please record your voice reading this text that we've just read together and send this voice message to our group on Telegram. I will personally listen to your voice message and I'll give you feedback on your performance. If you have sent me a message asking for the PDF files and you haven't received these PDF files yet, please check your spam folder. Seriously, please check your spam folder. Some subscribers have reported that my mail is going straight to their spam folder, so please check it. Another announcement is that I'm teaching classes on Skype now, so if you want to have classes with me, if you want personalized classes, please get in touch with me using this email here on the screen, okay? And then we can talk about availability and prices. So if you want me to be your personal teacher, contact me. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, like our page on Facebook, follow me on Twitter and on Instagram. Please join our group on Telegram and practice your English with voice messages and text messages. Please share this video, share this channel with your friends. Help me grow this channel, it's really important. Please join our group on Telegram. I think I've already talked about this. But anyway, join our group on Telegram because it's a great way for you to practice your English. The best way to practice English is by interacting with other people. And you can do that on Telegram, okay? So join our group there. Thank you very much for everything, and I'll see you tonight in my dreams.